You asked me also to 3D print the helmet of Thomas. But we are missing the visor. Perfect. This model is free to download from Thanks. Check the link in description. Let me know which one is your favorite, Guy Manuel or Thomas.